man Roosevelt. I stacks my buy and glass.
Can't up in a line. And just skin out, cause you know your pussy fatter. Your pussy clean, carry fully punash. Are you the man?
Head in night cloud, and me eye them a bleed. Exhaust pan the muffle at the belly of the beast. Hey, I don't move with you. Time me to go.
Hello. Cash code. Tell them me RS grown up for 9.5 and a 5 bills card make it dial.
And the billions I will spend now with I wish I want. Feel meaning I sweep the victory and build up my history, see ya. And your back and steer up in thy cloud. Badness never coil up on thy cord. To show
No doubt the sunshine. Here's me, I hold the tears and don't cry. Heart I bleed, the scars now outside. Blood thing. That's why me tell what she said no left in my tick. Me get the call for still love, but me left it a ring. Me left me heart now see. Isabel, but we never miss loop. Feel like mama could mean a badness, but get tricked to she pretty and cute, man. Killing my move smooth.
When I touch this zone, I wonder the badness from SSP and town. To try go around this link, the darkness unfolds. And yo, dogs, so we're crazy, you fuck boy.
If you listen to it, it say, do it for the love. We don't do it for the likes. You know what I mean? Because likes don't move people. It is love that moves things. That's primarily what the song is about. Survive. A lot of times, the career part of it and the survival part of it may occupy the greater part of the importance in our minds. But really and truly, if at any point you become unable to make good music, then it don't make no sense no more. You know what I mean? Yeah. Live. So I'm speaking as an artist myself who have been distracted many times. You know what I mean? And who have been drawn outside of my musical self many times. You see it? A lot of people won't admit it, but I can, it's no problem. He's a human being. I'm not gonna go.
You have to show God more appreciation. And not even Christians alone, but people in a whole, we get up every day and give God thanks and praise and give him that respect there. You know what say, he make you live to see another day. Because every night you go to your bed and you go sleep, you don't know what is happening while you're sleeping. And that man rise you from your sleep every morning and make you live to see another day. You have to give him thanks and praise. Him give you food to eat, drinks to drink. Everything when it's in this world where man achieve is God give him. The devil can't give you nothing, and me can't tell you that. So the man them fit start give God thanks and praise and give him respect. You understand? So my best time in my life is when I becomes brother this man. Now when I become a Christian, because I never ever no Christian, I'm a man of God and a child of God.